Hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to learn how to create Facebook ads effectively, and this video is specially for the beginners. Even if you already know how to create Facebook ads, still you can watch this video because by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you a pro tip where it can save a lot of your money burning out. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for this video. So let's dive into it. First of all, you open in your Facebook account, click Ads Manager, click Create button. Then here you need to select what type of ad you need to run. So I will guide you a little bit quickly. Awareness campaign, which shows your ads to the people who are most likely to remember them. So if you want to improve your brand only, want to run awareness campaign for your brand, this is best for you. It will increase reach, brand awareness, and video views for your ad. You select traffic campaign when you want to send people to a destination such as your website, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. And this type of ad is also good for link clicks, landing page views, Instagram profile visits, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and receiving calls. You select engagement campaign when you want to get more messages purchased through messaging, video views, interactions, page likes, or event responses. This is also good for Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, video views, interactions, and conversions. Then you select lead type of ads. When you want to collect leads, you want to collect data of your customers through a website or instant forms. If you click on this type of ad, it will give you an instant form which you ask customer to fill their data in. Those forms are coming to you and then you are contacting to your customers. Those forms they will show through Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Then here is the app promotion. This ad is good for you only if you have an application, mobile app, and you want to find new people who install your app and continue using it. Then you select sales campaign when your main objective is to make sales from these ads. You find the people who likely to purchase your product or service. This type of ad is good for conversions, catalog sales, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and receiving calls. So the best from all of this is traffic campaign. Let's go into it. You don't need to click tailored website campaign. It already fulfilled and you need to go to the manual. You always click on the manual traffic campaign, click continue. After you have clicked continue, you can give a campaign name. You can keep it the same new traffic campaign or iPhone 17 new traffic campaign. You can give any name you like. Then buying type option, keep it the same. Objective, keep the same. Here you need to select ad set budget or campaign budget. The best one is campaign budget. The full campaign for how many days you are running, the full campaign budget. It means a budget for the full campaign. For example, if you want to run ad for a 1 month and you have budget of only $100, $50, $200, you can write it down here. So let's assume we have $200 budget for a month and we click here. It's this budget is daily or lifetime. So let's select. So here we need to select the budget, lifetime budget or a daily budget. It's up to you. You want to put a daily budget, you can put daily like $20, $2, $5 as per your budget, or a lifetime budget, where in a lifetime budget you put just lifetime how much you want to spend. Then campaign bid strategy, no need to touch, keep it same. All other things, no need to touch, you can keep it the same as it is. Click next. Then you goes to the ad set name. So this is a main campaign. Under a campaign, you can create from here, create ad set. You can have as many ad sets as you want. Under a ad set, which is this one, you can also create more ads, create ad. And under any ad set, you can create more ads, as many as you want, as per your needs. Let's get back to our topic. Here you need to select the conversion location. It should be a website, messaging destination, Instagram or Facebook calls, or website calls. Let's select the website. Then we goes next. Here is the budget and it is all same. You can do a end date also if you want. So if you don't have time, you have selected a daily budget or a lifetime budget. You can select a end date also for your campaign. So it will automatically stop the ad on this date. Then you goes to the location and in this phase you can click the edit button and select your country or your city. Keep this on, no need to change here. This is the age section. In the edit button, you can click on the edit. Gender, you can keep the all. Detail target, if you click on the browser, you can have here demographics, interest, and behaviors. These are all types of behaviors. These are all types of interests, and these are the demographics. Remember one thing, the more behaviors and detail targeting you do, the more demographics you choose, your ad becomes more expensive. Let's continue. Then in this last section, advantage and placement, if you click edit, make sure you click advantage plus placements. Let's go to the next section. So this is the ad for our page. So here you need to select the ad Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page, it will come automatically, or if you want to change it, you can change it from here. Then ad setup. Here you have three options. One is create ad, use existing post, or use creative mockups. So use existing post, you use it when you have already posted something on Facebook or YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. You can select that particular post and it will run ad on that one only. In the create ad section, if you click on the manual, and it have two types of formats. One is single image or video and second one is carousel. So carousel, we select up to 10 images or video mixed. In this case, we select only one image. So let's go to the carousel type. And then as you see, it will automatically fetch my website address. So you can put yours here. So then we need to click on add cards. From the add cards, we need to select the images which we want to run the ads. You can select up to 10 images. Then click continue. Then you need a headline description, and at the bottom you need a primary text. I have already asked Gemini to write it for me. I will click the copy and paste the primary text here. Then I will take then I will take the headline, copy, then I will paste the headline here. Then I will take the description, copy, and paste the description here. That's all. And when you do this, make sure you click on apply to all. Apply to all. So the same headline, same description will be applied to all 10 cards. Then we go down and see we are all done here. And then at the end, we click publish. So that's it for today. This is how we create our professional ad in the Facebook. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, put in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next one.